Hello and welcome to the CIA Corner. My name is Jerry, your co-host for today. And as usual, you know what we do here? We make commentaries, in-depth analysis, investigations on topical issues, making rounds on the stories, the headlines around the world. And you out there can also be a part of this show. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification button, connect with us across all our social media platforms so that when we drop videos like this, you get to see our notifications. And if you have anything to add to what is being discussed here, if you have a counter opinion as regards what we discuss here, please do well to slide to our comment section and drop your comment. Of course, we would like to hear from you. We'd like to see your reactions as regards what we discuss here. What the story I want us to look into is a complaint from the people that reside in Oke-Egan community in Ajah area in Lagos State. They are complaining that their houses are being demolished based on what the construction going on in Lagos State. Well, let's go for a very quick break. When we come back, we'll look into the story properly. All right, welcome back from that very quick break. Like I said, the story for today is Oke-Egan community residents are complaining that their houses are being destroyed, that their houses are being demolished based off of it is along the construction areas in which the Lagos State government has outlined for construction of different things. They want to develop the country further. They are complaining that they do not have anywhere to stay. They don't have anywhere to go to. They are being displaced at the moment, and that the assembly, the federal government should come and help them, should come to their aid. Well, it's a good thing that the Lagos State government and the Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu is trying to develop Lagos further. At least it's a good thing. It's a good thing to develop the state. But while they are trying to develop the state, we are seeing that some persons are being affected by this development. Although there's a saying that says know how development will come to an area without some things being displaced, some things being demolished. We understand. But so many persons at the moment are being displaced. They hit to the streets. They took placards and cardboards complaining, lamenting, crying that the federal government, the state government, the House of Assembly, and even the President Tinubu should come to their aid and come and help out in such situations. They do not have where to go at the moment. And one of these persons that we are complaining, one of these protesters, we are saying that she had 4 houses in this area, in this Ajah area of Lagos State, and it was all demolished. Now we try to see what then would happen to them. They are asking for compensation, which is a very good one. They are to be compensated because they are saying they have papers, they have CFOs of these houses, these lands that are being demolished by the state government. Well, we've seen in time, several times, when this is happening and most persons most residents, most owners of these houses are not being compensated, which is not a good one. We are struggling for hardship. We are struggling to survive. We are struggling to make ends meet. And then imagine somebody trying to make ends meet, trying to go through the challenges, the economic and financial crisis that we are going through collectively as a country. And then you are displacing these persons from having a house, from having homes. We've seen times around Ikeja, sometimes back then, where houses were demolished. And these persons came out to say at the end they were not compensated. Imagine somebody having, let's say, a 3-bedroom bungalow in a situated area where the person bought the land legally, did the CFO and every other document that is supposed to be done on that land. At the end of the day, the house is being demolished and used as a construction for the development of the state. And at the end, they are not being compensated. Imagine having such property, and at the end, you are being displaced, making you move out from that same area and going either back to your village where you came from or go back to another area. So we are urging the federal government to please come out and come and heed to the cry of these people. They are coming out to the street to say, okay, we don't want our houses to be demolished just like that. They want compensation. They have legal papers, legal CFOs to these houses, these lands. Then you confirm if it's legal, then you compensate them. If the house is worth 10 million naira as of when it was built, as of when it was constructed, then you compensate them with these amounts. Now they are coming out peacefully to protest. We we don't want it to become a riot. We don't want it to continue happening, because if such situation is being ignored, there's a very high tendency that the next government coming into power, if they say, okay, we want a very good development to come out in this area, and they say, okay, they want to conduct destruction, demolition on this area, there's a high tendency that those persons will not also be compensated. And this also does not apply to only Lagos State. Other governors, other state governments should emulate such act. If you know that you are trying to develop this state and you see that these places, these houses, these areas are marked for demolition, you ought to compensate these people, pay them what is due to them, not just making them displaced. Let us know that we are battling only against hardship, against the removal of subsidy and other challenges facing us as a country collectively. If you do like this and you compensate these people, in times to come, people will want to buy land from that area, because this is a very detrimental future effect that it would have on Lagos State and Lagos State's house and land owners. Let's say they are not being compensated, which would not happen. Let's say they are not being compensated, and in 5-10 years time, their houses, their lands to be sold. These persons would not want to buy this land, will not want to buy these houses, because they know that if the government come, they will demolish these places and they would not be paid any compensation. So please, the federal government should please compensate these people. And then these owners of these houses, these owners of this land, please take it easy. The federal government will hit your cry, because coming out to protest, blocking the entrances to the assembly, the local government chairman, and coming out to block the roadside, putting blockades and all what's not, all because you want your cry to be heard, would not solve the issue. If you come out and obstruct other road users, other commuters, it will make the situation worsen, and I doubt if the federal government or the state government would want to hear such. Please, why the federal government and the state government would look into this situation, the owners of these houses, the displaced persons, should please play their own role to be peaceful too also. We hope that the federal government will look into this situation. All right, this is where we draw our curtains for today. If you have any suggestion, any advice for the federal government, the state government, the House of Assembly, and even these owners of this house, please do well to drop your comments in the comment section. Of course, we'd like to hear from you. And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, like I said earlier on, please subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification button and connect with us across all our social media platforms also. My name is Obed Jerry, your co-host for today, and this has been the CIA Corner here on TAP TV. I'll see you next time.